Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can set up QuickBooks for rental properties. Okay, so if you own apartments, houses, or other rental units, so QuickBooks can help you track the rent payments, your property expenses, the maintenance costs, and overall profit all in one place. So first thing that we should do here is we just have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for QuickBooks. That is right. Okay, so we have this first website, so you just have to simply tap on this one. And yeah, I'm just going to select the Go to Philippines site. And right here at the top, we have the sign in option for QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Online Accountant. Okay, so of course, we are going to see the plans and the pricing first. So simply tap on it, and here, once it's fully loaded, so you'd be able to find a plan that is right for you right here. And currently, I am subscribed to a simple plan. Okay, so after choosing your plan, signing up for an account, then you're now good to go. So since we already have an account, so I'm just going to close the other tab. Okay, so first thing that we are going to do here is to set up our rental property business. So to do that, you just have to go to the settings, or this one, the gear icon at the top right of your screen. Okay, and then just go to your company section and tap on the account and settings. So right here, we are going to enter the business name, the location or the address of our property or office, the contact information, and the tax details. Okay, so once you're done adding all of this important information, you're now going to proceed to the chart of accounts. So I'm just going to tap on the done option and close this section. So to go to the chart of accounts, again, you just have to tap on the gear icon or the settings. So this one, that is right. Okay, so this is where you organize your rental income and your expenses. Okay, so yeah, tap on the chart of accounts. So, for example, the common categories for rental properties, it includes rent income, late fees, or parking fees. So I'm just going to create a new account. So let's just going to create just one. So for example, rent income. Okay, and then tap on the account type. So scroll down and look for the income. After that, tap on the save option. Now, for the expenses, so create a new account once again. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to tap over here, repairs. Okay, just to be sure, I'm just going to add a new number. And then for the account type, of course, it fall under the expenses. Okay, that's right, and tap on the save option. So setting up these categories will help QuickBooks to organize your rental finances automatically. Okay, next one is to add your tenants. So to do that, just go to the sales and go to the customers, or just go to the customer hub. Okay, and then you have here the customer. So simply tap on it. That's right. And then tap on the new customer option at the top right of the screen. And then here, you just have to enter details like tenant name, their phone number, their contact information, their email address, and then their rental unit or the apartment number. Okay, so for example, you can add notes like unit 3B. So you can add that right here, like unit 3B. So like the monthly rent is around. Okay, so let me just have a monthly rent is around $900. Okay, so you just have to type it right here, $900, so something like that. And after that, just have to tap on the save option and close the section. So this helps you track each tenant under rental payments. Okay, so let's just close this now. All right, now Let us create an invoice for rent. So, to create an invoice, tap on the create option at the top left once again. And then under the customer, we have the invoice. To tap on the invoice, that's right. Okay, and then you just have to select the tenant and enter the rental details. So you can add a new one or, just select the existing one. All right. And then after that, you just have to select the tenant and enter the rent details. For example, their monthly rent and the description for unit 3B, and then like you can also include the date like March, and then the quantity, and then the price. So you just have to add those right here. So if the tenant also pays other fees, you can add another item. Okay, you have to take note of that. So you just have to add product or service, and then another line will open. So for example, like parking fee, and it costs around $50. So QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total amount due. So you can then send the invoice to the tenant via email. So you have the option right here, or print it for records, or save it in your system. So this keeps your rent billing organized. Okay, so you can also track the property expenses. So the rental property usually have regular expenses like repairs and maintenance. So to do that, to record, so let me just close this one. Okay, so just go to the create option, and then just go to the expense. That's right. And then here, you just have to enter the details such as like for the vendor, plumbing services, for the category repairs and maintenance, and then the amount, let's say around $150, and then the description like kitchen sink repair for this specific unit. Okay, so tracking these costs helps you manage your overall property expenses. Now, lastly is to monitor your rental property. So to do that, we are going to run a report. So to run a report, just go to the section, the report section. Okay, and then just have to go to the profit and loss, for example this one by month, and then this report shows the total rental income, the total property expenses, and your net profit. So for property owners, this helps you understand how much each property earns, your maintenance costs, and your overall rental profit. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.